What's up? It's Keith Kalfas, founder of the Window Cleaning Blueprint, and welcome to this video course, this presentation where I'm going to show you and take you inside of the Window Cleaning Blueprint course. I'm very excited, and you've probably been pretty curious, so I'm going to show you exactly what's inside of this entire online training program that you can take from your smartphone, your tablet, your laptop, your computer, and show you what you're going to get. So here we are. I'm scrolling through the entire course here. It's about 6 weeks long, and every week a new module opens up and unlocks. We have property walks, pricing, how to clean windows, obviously, how to start your business and your corporation, interviews with window cleaning business entrepreneurs who are very successful. We're going to talk about marketing, how to collect and manage money, how to sell jobs, so much here. So starting from the beginning, and you get access to all this immediately, except for the stuff that unlocks each week, because I don't want to overwhelm you with too much stuff too soon. There's a lot here. But the first video here that you could even take from your smartphone at your own pace is the welcome and agenda video, where I'll be talking about, saying welcome and congratulations and how to actually use your new window cleaning blueprint course, what you can expect from it. You got the MP3 downloads all here on the right that you just hold down and click, and then you can download directly to your laptop or your smartphone. Make sure you get all that stuff, and then all your stuff here. And then moving right along, we're going to go into a big picture overview of how window cleaning business actually works and the whole window cleaning industry as a whole, how big it actually is and how much opportunity and money there is. More on that. Then we're going to get into the different modalities of marketing and the components of how to run a small business. There's a lot of stuff here, a lot of nuts and bolts, things that I've learned through years and years of hard work and effort and study, and also a lot of money that I spent in consulting and coaching myself and things I've pulled to put all this together into a completely comprehensive video training course that you can take. We're going to teach you how to actually set up your corporation. I can't give tax advice, but I talk about how to set up a corporation and get an accountant and a CPA, how to move forward, when to do what. But then selling and getting inside of customers' homes. There you go. See. Very, very detail oriented about marketing. This stuff is stuff I wish I would have learned in the beginning. Collecting and managing money, different bank accounts, and but moving into walking around properties. We're going to be walking around properties. I'm going to be showing you exactly, putting my hands on the windows and pointing at the windows, showing how much to charge for houses, taking you inside of a customer's home, and actually, because I got permission, which was really cool. And let me turn this down. Yeah, walking around different customers' homes, discussing, pricing, screen cleaning, what to expect. High-end homes that are more expensive, like that house is like $500 right there. I'm sorry, that one was like $325 just to clean the windows on that one house. Moving along here. No, this is not videos from YouTube. This is all specially all created for this course, very in-depth stuff. I think there's one or two videos that I do say, hey, this one was on YouTube, but this one is really good, so I put it in the course. But everything in the course is all from completely exclusive and private to this course here. I know somebody, at one time I had bought a course, and I go, wait a second, 80% of this stuff is stuff I found on YouTube. I want my money back, bro. So no, I wouldn't do anything like that. And this is really in depth here. Like I said, I would like to give all this stuff away for free, but it cost me an arm and a leg to put all this stuff together. Take you inside of my nice trailer, a little bit messy, and entire Waterfed pole property walks, what to charge, how to use the Waterfed pole system. This is very in deep. 2 hours just on, 2 or 3 hours just on the Waterfed pole alone. So much stuff there. This is my favorite part of the whole course, to tell you the truth. I actually was on a property for several hours here, and I'm going across like hundreds of houses in conversations that I've cleaned with the Waterfed pole and all the little tiny things that you can expect. There's one part where I talk about how you could actually get yourself in some pretty big trouble and how to avoid that, and how I almost, I could have gotten sued if I didn't realize something. And it's just a really kind of fun to watch. And also you can download the MP3 version of all of this and listen to it while you work. I think that's what's really kind of cool. I think that's very important in courses, is to make sure you have an MP3. Not everybody can afford to sit there and watch all this stuff all the time, so you can actually listen to it while you're working and making money. And so there you go. I'm cleaning that windows. This house right here, I charge $199 every time we clean just the outside, and then it's $400 when we do the inside and the outside. And we're there a couple times a year, and it's cool. We could bang out that whole house in a couple hours and make, I make $200. What else here? Oh yeah, going inside of customer's house, how to actually, clean windows and screens. This is the real deal. Yeah, so I'm talking about, I'll show you. I got permission to go inside of a customer's house. What kind of towels to use, why, how to operate and conduct yourself inside of a house, how to clean screens. This one specific video is on YouTube, so I think there's 2 videos in this whole course that were on YouTube, because I show how to clean screens, and that's pretty basic, so there's no point in showing that again. This right here, this is about an hour long. Oh, I'm sorry, 36 minutes. Is how to actually clean windows and all the tools that I've used, what I use. And this is cool. I got permission to go in one of my real estate customers' houses for several hours and, set up a camera and I actually go over the different techniques of how to clean windows and what solutions to use. And then we go deeper into advice and a lot of things that I've learned. See, if you can see there, a lot of stuff and up close. And I've probably made several $100,000 cleaning windows now. And I'm pretty happy with it because it's just a simple business. Scraping windows. That's funny. We don't normally scrape windows in my business, but that scraper was sitting in the trailer for a couple weeks and got a little bit of rust around the edges, and I cleaned it up. But the finite tip of it was perfectly, it was clean. There was no problem with it. But it gets oxidized, and you see right there I'm teaching how to scrape windows, and there's a glass scratch waiver form. Oh, I'm glad I'm here right now because I have to actually put the waiver form right here in this video as well, so you can download the form to make sure your customers sign it. I also talk about how much to charge. And then we have the Detroit Sponge Tour, and then also an actual interview, a private interview with Mike Warway from Detroit Sponge. He talks about the whole window cleaning industry. This is my favorite part right here, the private interview with Joshua Latimer. This guy was doing like $180,000 a month in this window cleaning business with 10 crews. This interview will bring tears to your eyes, man. It's crazy. Like, listen to him. He starts talking about the mission, and he gives you this perspective, dude, that almost makes you cry. It's amazing. That guy started out with nothing, and then here we go. We got Sid Graff from Squeegeology. This guy's awesome. He's got his window cleaning business running, almost on autopilot. He does very well for himself, has multiple crews, and this guy can like go on vacations and stuff with his wife. So he talks about marketing and how to, he did a whole special presentation for this, and he's a very smart guy. You can look him up. And then we got interviews with Dave Carroll, This guy does just under $1 million a year in window cleaning and pressure washing in his business, property maintenance, and this guy is a wizard. He's a Facebook ads pro. He talks about hiring employees and long-term business overview. It's amazing. I can't even explain it. I put so much into this, and so anyways, and then as more unlocks, more goes, and it's a lot of stuff. I don't want you to feel like you got to get all this in one evening. It's going to take you a few weeks, and this is really going to open up your eyes to the entire window cleaning business. There's a lot of really good information in here, and I'm really excited for you. And as always, I have my 30-day money-back guarantee. If you decide for any reason you don't like the course, just send me an email at my customer support, and I'll give you 100% money back refund, no questions asked whatsoever. Boom, I'll send you a refund, and there you go. So I take all the risk, and then you can get inside of this course and get jamming along immediately and absorbing all this. Just the marketing stuff alone, stuff that I've probably invested. I can't even say how many hundreds of hours and thousands of dollars in learning all the stuff here. Don't take this for granted, the stuff that's inside of here. This is, if you like the way that I teach and communicate, and you can resonate with me, and you can feel when I'm talking, then I really think that you'll like the stuff. It gets pretty deep. It's not the type of stuff that I put on YouTube. So okay, thank you very much. I'm Keith Kalfas, and that's the Window Cleaning Blueprint course, and I'm very happy to take you on as my client. I'd love to see inside of the course, and you're in good hands. All right, over and out. I'll see you inside.